Hello, doctor. I have a sore knee.
Joe, come on.
Oh.
Hello. What's the matter?
Joe fell off his bike and he has a sore knee.
Yes, I fell off my bike and I have a sore knee.
Okay. Right, I'll call the doctor. Sit in the waiting room.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
The doctor will see you now.
Hello. Welcome to my office. How can I help you?
Joe fell off his bike and he has a sore knee.
Yes, my knee is sore.
Let's love sign. Sore. Sore. You sign. Sore. Good. Sore. Can I take a look at your knee?
Yes.
Wait. I have no bandages.
I have bandages for you. Sebastian, will you help me?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Now, let's get that knee wrapped up. Here we go. There. Oh, nice and tight. Perfect. Woo.
Perfect. Thank you.
While you're here, Joe, can I listen to your heart?
Yes.
You have no stethoscope.
Oh, yes. I lost one. I ordered a new one. Dizzy Deliveries will come today.
Wait. I have a delivery for you.
I'll get it. Your leg is still sore.
Thank you.
Wait here.
Okay.
I found this one. But it's a toy.
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy,
Day.
Good boy, thanks a million. That's great. Now, let me tell you, that was fantastic. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Hands up. Okay, we're finished. Your knee and your head will be okay.
Joe, would you like a lollipop for being so good?
I would love a lollipop.
Go and ask the nurse for a lollipop. Let's love sign. Nurse. Nurse. You sign. Nurse. Good. Nurse.
Hello, Joe. Are you feeling okay?
Yes, The doctor said I can have a lollipop because I was so good.
I'm really sorry, Joe. I have no lollipops left.
It's empty.
Wait here. Lollipops.
Let me help.
Be careful! Oh no! I love lollipops.
My head is still sore. Hello, Aisling.
Hello, Joe. Did you make the deliveries to the doctor's office yet?
Yes,
Come back to the depot.
I'm coming, but it may take a while because I have a sore knee. Thank you for all your help, but I have to go back to work. Bye.
Goodbye, Joe.
Bye. Thanks again. Oh.
Wait, Joe. You forgot your device.
Thank you.
Goodbye.